Hey everybody, so we got a quick tiny little tool haul from Home Depot. It's a couple little small Crescent items, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, I got a couple small items from Home Depot. I just put two receipts in the bag. So these are two items I picked up. You guys might previously recognize all these boxes and all these things I need to do videos on. That I did a video previously on tecton tools, and right here, these little guys right here. These are the little tecton Paul Greg Alpha 160005. It says USA on the handle. These are just the little slide locks. They do up to, I think, a half an inch, 3/4, something like that. I think these are half an inch. These are slightly bigger. The head is a little bit wider, and I think the handles might be this a little bit shorter. So these are just a little bit shorter. Yeah, they're a little bit shorter. These are 4.5 inch. I don't remember. I actually already threw the packagings for these. I'd have to go look at the video. I don't remember, but we're just gonna cut them open real quick. I'm not gonna make this a huge long video. These, I picked these up because I thought originally these were a 2-pack of low profile flush cutters. They're not. One's a flush cutter and the other one is little mini pliers. I'm like, ooh, mini pliers, I could use those. So part number for the angled teeth, max grip, more jaw position, jaw capacity 3/4 inch. They're 4.5 inch. It says limited lifetime warranty. Part number for these guys is RT24CVS. So Ranger Tony 24, Charlie Victor Sam. And we're just going to use the little cutter real quick and just cut them open. Again, Ranger Tony 24, Charlie Victor Sam for these guys. Thinking about buying another one of these warrior cutters. These power, would be nice to have another one. That way I could, when this one needs to be charged and it gets hot, I can continue doing what I need to be doing. I'm assuming these are made in Taiwan or something, made in China. But, you know, these are tiny, so these are different style compared to these. These are just slip joints, 3-position slip joints. These guys are actual tongue and groove, similar to channel locks. So yeah, I think these do have a larger jaw capacity. Oh yeah, these have a 1/2 inch jaw capacity. These are 3/4. But I figured, heck, those will come in handy. I like those. So that's the difference. You know, these are a little longer. These are a little more compact. The head size is definitely significantly different. So they both have their places. They'll be very useful in different scenarios. The other ones are these guys, which are the Crescent wire cutter low profile flush cut 4-inch flush cuts, and then 4-inch set of mini pliers. Part number for this is S2KS5NN Sam 2 Kilo Sam 5 Northern. Again, Sam 2 Kilo, Sam 5 Northern. Next time I'm at Harbor Freight, I think I'm going to buy another set of these, but I'm going to see if I can get it and use another coupon on them. Because I originally bought these, I think, for like 29 bucks or something instead of the 49 or something like. No, I paid like 22 bucks for these or something like that. I don't remember. It was definitely cheaper than the original price. I'm assuming, yeah, these are probably also. Oh no, these are made in Vietnam. And you know, their little tracking strip, because the NSA is tracking us. I'm just kidding. Are these sharp? Oh yeah, very sharp. Took off a piece of skin on my finger, no problem. I cut my nail with no problem either. Definitely very sharp. These handles are very comfortable. I like the angle of these handles. These little pliers are nice, and they're serrated too. That's nice. The serration's not very good on these pliers though. There's definitely casting issues in the pliers. It's kind of hard to see. I need a better camera for like focusing. These GoPros do not want to focus up close. It just is what it is. But you can see, probably see the little darker indents that don't have lines. But they grip. There's a piece of plastic that I just cut, and I'm barely putting pressure in there. You put a lot of pressure, it doesn't want to move. So they'll work for what I would like to use them for. I'm sure they'll come in handy for all kinds of things. Just a little tiny haul, guys. You know, not much. These, I thought they'd be useful. I didn't realize that they were tongue and groove style, which is a plus. You know, I don't have any tongue and grooves that small. All I have is slip joints. But, you know, just a small little 3-item haul. Nothing huge, nothing like extravagant. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon. No, smash the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links, and my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the next episode. And as well, go ahead and check out the live event that I did for Milwaukee NPS. I got some, you know, items, you know, links down below. You guys go check out all the pre-orderable items that have come out for episode 1. If you guys are interested in pre-ordering anything, you know, please go check out my link. Appreciate you guys' time, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!